It should not come as a surprise to you that Apple CEO Steve Jobs prohibited his children from using iPhones and tabs while his own job was to sell it to millions of customers. Your children are addicted to social media, Netflix, and screens, and you're finding out ways how to restrict those in their lives. The solution, my friend, lies in the book Dopamine Detox by Thibaut Maurice. Today, I will summarize this book for you. The first and foremost thing we must do is understand what is dopamine. Dopamine is actually a hormone which is promoted as a pleasure hormone while it is not. It is a hormone that makes us act to receive a particular reward. For example, while scrolling on the screen, what happens is you want to see which reel comes next. So in anticipation of the reward, you will want to do some act. If you go to the gym and if you see people, doing push-ups or doing bicep curls, and then later looking in the mirror to reflect on how it is going for the biceps, you find that person is anticipating a reward. And that is why he's doing the activity of exercise and all. While you are anticipating a reward on social media, so that is why you keep scrolling reels, you keep looking for likes that you have on your last stories, and so on. Dopamine was not meant for this. Dopamine was meant for evolution purposes. God made this hormone so that, we would be acting for our tomorrow. We would sow seeds, we would like to hunt, we would make a house for safety of our family, and so on. But this hormone has been, hacked by tech companies. They're using it now to sell social media, and so that you are addicted to your phones. What is actually happening is they're hijacking your brain. If you're getting hits of dopamine regularly, for example, on watching reels of your interest, you feel so happy that you do not feel like doing any other activity. Your brain is being hijacked here. There is a craving that, is not being satisfied. And what happens is, after you keep scrolling reels or just enjoying social media for 1 hour, tell me, what did you achieve? Nothing. Maybe 1 hour of pastime, but nothing else. As soon as you put down your phone, you will feel empty again. And this is what happens. And that is why the hand grabs social media. Again and again, it grabs the phone. Reason because they are not getting that kind of hit anywhere else in any other activity. So this is called hijacking of the brain by social media. One method they devised to use it to their benefit is called notifications. Time and time again, you will keep getting notification. Why they urge you to have notifications is because once you hear the sound, you would like to open your social media and read the message that you have just received. That keeps bringing you back to your phone. Now, we need to find a solution for this. The solution suggested in the book Dopamine Detox is actually a detox. You need to do a 48 hours dopamine detox, which is perfect. If you're not able to do it for 48 hours, something lesser than perfect would be good. That is a 24-hour detox. Now, for these 24 or 48 hours, you're not going to touch your phone. You're going to keep it or lock it in a drawer. If you want to order Blinkit, somebody else in the house is going to do it. If you want to take a cab and go somewhere and you use Uber, you're not going to use your phone for that. All calls, everything, just leave a message on your phone that not available today. I think, huge difference is going to come in those 24 hours or 48 hours. Or even if you have to use it just for that particular task and just keep it locked again. Now, what happens in those 48 hours, first few hours is going to be tough because you have to say, now what will I do? I used to scroll, phone, or I used to ask Google for everything or ChatGPT for everything. Now it's going to be tough. But don't worry, after first hour, you're going to get productive. That is what the book says. You will find some activity which you have, not done, or you have just procrastinated for a long time. Find that activity and your brain would actually guide you towards that activity, and you would be doing that. What this dopamine detox actually does, it stops hitting the reward system again and again. So once you get stop hitting on the reward system, you see what else productive activities are there in your life. You will find your brain will start guiding you towards more activities in your life which are also productive and which also give you pleasure. And it is not that you do a 48 hours detox and some magic is going to happen. This has to be, the way forward is once in a month or every week. You have to keep your phone aside for a few hours to keep this sustainable. You also need to remove all notifications, all unnecessary apps from your mobile. Everything that disturbs you, prevents you from doing your daily activity nicely, or whichever is distracting you from the productive goal that you are trying to achieve in your life. Dopamine detox, my friend, is a powerful method and has been tried and tested. It is successful for most of the achievers. I would urge you to try it. Let me know in comments how it went for you. And finally, subscribe and like my channel to get more content like this.